cannot hear anything with my right ear. I just grabbed my prescription and I will start antibiotics. For the next 7 days I'll be taking antibiotics. What's happened? I made a mistake. When we were driving in the car, I asked my boyfriend to shut down AC and I just wanted to open the windows. And it was pretty chilly, so the air was coming from my window and was straight into my ear. So last Friday I felt that there is something wrong there, that I cannot hear properly, and I started to put some drops, but they didn't help that much, just a little bit. So I felt like, okay, I'm getting better, I'll start my working day. So I went to work on Sunday, and on Monday I started to feel really bad. My ear started to hurt like crazy, and yesterday I saw the doctor and they prescribed me antibiotics. So I'm at home for the rest of the day and maybe 2 or 3 days more. My boyfriend and I started to do lots of shopping online, so I will show you what I ordered. I ordered pretty interesting stuff, so I'll show you. I ordered whitening gel, so I'll be using this gel to put inside my eyeliners, and I will be wearing them for half an hour. But this one is a new one, it's a tray number 10, but now I'm wearing number 9, so I'll do that test on number 9. I'm pretty curious, but I've done it long ago, like 5 years ago, and it worked perfectly. But I don't know if the brand was the same. I don't remember. But that one I bought in Ukraine. But this I ordered it on Amazon, and you see it is mint. So they are selling 4 syringes in one order. Plastic bag. Now we have new cupboard. Looks somehow like this. Max assembled it by himself using the instruction which was provided in the package. I ordered this MacBook cover on Amazon, and it has also some protection for the keyboard, but look what was inside. Amazon sent a used one. Look, it is torn apart here. Nice job, Amazon. What about the lower one? Ah, even the hair. So this one is scratched from the back. I'll show you. Look. But what's epic is this one. We don't have cats, we don't have dogs, but they sent us with fur. I don't know if you can see it. This one is unopened. This one came like this. I even didn't remove it. Here you can see some fur. That's crazy. Go. Some more fur. Rose hip fruits. So we're gonna make a drink. We're gonna blend it in this thing. We're gonna do like this and then like this. Let's go. Ready. Yummy, yummy. But now we're gonna cover it for the next 5 or 7 hours, and then we can drink it. It's very good immune booster. Look at this bird. It just hit our balcony windows. We put water and we don't know what to do next. We sprayed some water because we thought that maybe he has some concussion. But I don't know. Any guesses? Any advices? update about my sickness. My ear started to feel much better. I'm taking very strong antibiotics, and I just wonder how would I feel if I didn't take those antibiotics. So today is the first day, today is Sunday, and I'm going to work right now. Max was assembling some drawers, you already saw it, and I was shooting different videos and I was doing some home stuff, and we'll go to work now. I still have to finish a few stuff at work. Maybe I'll work 3-4 hours, and after that I'll start editing. And what I wanted to tell you, I hit myself with my elbow. So, you know, I had a colleague of mine who was staying with us during the week, and she said, "Victoria, what's happened to you?" She's like, "Is it domestic abuse?" I'm like, no, when I was sick and I had very strong pain in my ear and I couldn't concentrate, so I hit myself somehow on the wall and I just like scratched myself, so my elbow was swollen and it was paining for a few days, and now the skin is coming off. But it's very interesting how our body works and how our mind works. So when you have pain somewhere, so your brain doesn't think, and you can hit yourself. I'm at home, I'm wearing pajama, no makeup, and I'll go to work like this. I love USA that you don't have to do any makeup and you can go to work like this. That's really awesome. Also wanted to give you an update about my whitening gel. Yes, it helped a lot because, you know, I had some stains from the water because I have aligners and I wear them for approximately 20 hours. So I had some stains and I was like, oh my god, what to do? Max told me, he was like, go to the dentist and let them clean your teeth. I was like, 150 just for 15 minutes or 20 minutes? I was like, no, we'll get this gel first from Amazon, and if it's not gonna work, then I just will go and see the dentist and I will ask him to clean my teeth. But that one really helped. But you see, just because I have aligners, if you don't have aligners, so I don't know like how you would deal with that. But you know, when I was in Ukraine, I could go to my dentist and he would do the same aligner. So you put the gel inside that aligner and you just stick it to your teeth for the night, and after that you just remove that aligner, you just wash the aligner, you can use it next night. But I used it only once because it gave me really strong sensitivity and I got only 50% oxidite, or I don't know how it's called, but it really helped. So very much recommended.